Welcome to the T&M video series. This video will explain how to install and launch the FHWA Traffic Noise Screening Tool. 2 installers are required for the screening tool. One to install the supporting Matlab Runtime library, and another to install the Traffic Noise Screening Tool. The Matlab Runtime library should be installed first. Navigate to the MathWorks website to obtain the free Runtime library, version R 2020b 9.9 for Windows. Once the file has downloaded, right-click the zip file, select Extract All, and specify your desired destination directory. Double-click the setup file in the extracted folder to open the installation wizard. Note that administrative privileges are required to install the Runtime library. View the title screen, then click Next to begin the installation process. Read the MathWorks license agreement, select Yes to accept, and click Next to proceed. Accept the default location, or change the directory to the desired location. Click Next to proceed. View your installation folder selection, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Now the Matlab Runtime library is available for use by the screening tool. To install the Traffic Noise Screening Tool, navigate to the T&M webpage to download the setup file. Once the file has downloaded, right-click the zip file, select Extract All, and specify your desired destination directory. Double-click the setup file in the extracted folder to open the installation wizard. View the Ready to Install screen, then click Install. When installation is complete, check the box to launch the screening tool or uncheck the box to return to the desktop, then click Finish. Once the screening tool has been installed, it can be manually launched using the Windows Startup menu. Note, when launching the screening tool, the Matlab Runtime library will run in a background command window. About a minute after the command window opens, the screening tool user interface will be displayed and is ready for use. For more information on the Traffic Noise Screening Tool, visit the T&M website.